Good morning. X Limited was declared dividend 14 rupees per share. Okay. B is planning to purchase a share of X Limited and anticipating increase in growth rate of 8% to 9%. That is a growth rate. Okay. Which will continue to be 3 years. 3 years growth rate is 8-9%. And he also expects the market price of a share to be 360 after 3 years. Okay. You are required to determine the maximum amount you should pay for share. What is the amount he need to pay for the share? So the 360 is the thing. Growth rate is 8%, 9%, and dividend is 14%. First question, you will solve it. So expected dividend. What is the dividend? 14 rupees dividend is per annum. So 14 rupees, present value of 14 rupees 1 year. Growth is 1.09% 1 year. 14 rupees dividend 1.09 2 years, and 14 rupees in third year 1.09 3 years. This is the present value of 14 rupees right now. 15.26, 16.63, 18.13. This is the present value. And required rate of return is 13%, because he asked for return rate 13%. Return rate he expected 13%. Now the market price of 3 shares is 360. 360 is the market price after. That was 360 divided by 1.013 divided by 3. Okay, so what? So I having 3 dividend. You should see this working. I got 15.26. This is the dividend usually get in the growth rate first. So in the first period, plus 16.63. This is the second period, plus 18.13. It is the third period. So now I want to get it for present value 1.0131, 1.013. That is 2. This is the what required rate I required. Required rate of return I required 1.013 divided by 3. Plus I get 360 rupees. I expected to this be the value in third year. 1.013 divided by 3. If I add all these things, I will get the value of what? 288.56. 288.56. What is this? This is the maximum amount Mr. B would pay for the share. So this is the maximum amount we should pay for the share to get the share at this rate. Got it?